what she wanted to do today was eat a pine cone and roll around in a ditch. I started this morning taking Leia for an early walk. It's about 6 a.m. and surprisingly, what she wanted to do today was eat a pine cone and roll around in a ditch. She was having the best of times. I had to take Leia for a second morning walk, and she's discovered digging in the sand at the edge of the river, and again she's having so much fun. On the way home we found some more pine cones and she was rolling around in the same spot again.